Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Hadoop in Windows operating system. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, then you can get notification for latest videos. Before we start Hadoop installation, we have to download prerequisite for Hadoop installation. So now we know Hadoop supports Java 8. So we have to download Java Development Kit 8. Java SE Development Kit 8 downloads Oracle. Now you have to download for Windows. So now you can see Windows 32-bit or Windows 64-bit. So I have to download Windows 64-bit. Click on this download link. You have to check this box and click on download. Then you will redirect on this window. So if you already created your Oracle account, so you just need to sign in. Otherwise, you just need to create account. This account is free of cost. So you have to write your email, your password. That must be one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. So now you have to fill up your information. In job title, you can write student. In company name, you can write your institute name. Select your country, province, and write your zip code, then create account. After creating your account, you will get an email from Oracle. You have to verify your email address. Then you have to click verify your email address. And then you have to sign in Oracle account. You will click on sign in. So downloading will automatically start. Now you can see downloading is start. After completing the Java 8 download, we have to download Hadoop version that you can download from hadoop.apache.org. In this page, you can see various versions of Hadoop: 3.2.2, 2.10.1, 3.1.4, 3.3.0. So this is the latest version. We don't need to download latest version. We will download earlier version of the latest version. So earlier version is 3.2.2. So you have to click on binary. Then you can see here is a link for download. You have to click on this link. Downloading will start. I will put this link in description box so you can download it from description box. So now you can see I have successfully downloaded Java and Hadoop. So I will move these files into Windows Drive. So now you can see I have successfully moved Java and Hadoop in Windows folder. First we will install Java. So let's start. Next, preparing to install. So we have to download development tool. Click next. So you can click change to install Java to different folder. So make sure you will create new folder. So click on change, Windows, and make new folder, name Java. Click OK and next. Now installing Java. So now you can see Java Development Kit 8 updated successfully installed. So we will enter JDK files in Java folders because there will be an error while we set environment variables for Java. So I will go in C, programs file. So now you can see Java file. So what I am doing, just cut and I will paste it into this Java folder. Continue. So now we have to delete this Java files in program file. because we don't want to do mess with another Java folder. So now you can see our JDK file is in Java we created in Windows folder. We shall move ahead and set the environment variables for Java. Now click on the window and then enter into setting. In setting, you have to click on system. In the system, you have to write environment variable. So now you can see edit system environment variables. When you will click on this option, so dialog box will open. So you have to click on environment variables. Then you can see this dialog box. In environment variables, you need to set the Java home as well as path for Java. So you have to click on new and set Java home. And here let us add the location of the JDK bin. So here we will add in the variable value that is the JDK bin location. So paste. So our JDK bin is in C drive. In C drive we have Java folder. In Java folder we have JDK. In JDK we have bin. So click OK. And now move into the next dialog box, that is system variable. In system variable we will go in the path, click here and edit. Create a new path variable which will be the JDK location. The same location, that is the bin of JDK. Click OK. And now select OK again and close it. So now Java has been successfully installed in our local system. Now let's check Java is working or not. We can do it selecting by Windows and R. Inside Windows, just type cmd and select OK. So that can open your command prompt. Here you have to write Java C, hit enter. If setup files are popping up, that means Java is working properly. So now let's start the installing of Hadoop. You can see we downloaded Hadoop in tar file. We have to extract it here. Now you can see the process of extraction is completed 100%. Let's rename it Hadoop. You can see files in Hadoop. After successful extraction of Hadoop, we have to set environment variables for Hadoop. Before set the environment variable, we have to do configuration of Hadoop. Open the Hadoop folder. In Hadoop folder you can see etc file. In etc file we have another folder Hadoop. In Hadoop folder we have set of file. In this set of file our four important files are core site, HDFS site, MapRead site and yarn site. These files are XML files. We have to edit these files into Notepad. Once after we edit these four files, we need to edit one last file, hadoop.env Windows command file. So here you're just going to add in the Java home location. So let's start the edit these files. I have successfully opened these four files. In core site file, we have to set properties. In properties, we have set the file system, that is default fs, and the localhost location, that is 9000. Let's save the core site.xml file. Similarly, we need to also edit MapReduce site.xml file. Inside configuration, we have to add properties. Now you can see we also added the MapReduce.xml file. Let's save this file. Followed by the MapReduce site.xml file, we have yarn site.xml file. Let's edit this file. Let's save it. Don't worry about configuration file, I will put in the description box. Followed by yarn site.xml file, we need to edit hdfs site.xml file. Before we edit this file, I want you to create a new folder in Hadoop location, which is data. So let's create the folder in Hadoop file. In Hadoop, we have to create new folder, that is data. Inside data folder, we need to create two more new folder. One is name node, and the other is data node. So let's copy the location of data node and name node. Both are on the same location. Now go back to the hdfs site.xml file, in which we have to edit the configuration. Now you can see we write name node and data node location in properties. Now let's save it. Now we need to edit last file, that is hadoop.env windows command file. We have to set Java location. For setting Java location, let's go back to the environment variables and get our JDK location. That is our Java home location. So we have to copy it and then we have to paste it here. We don't need bin. Let's save it. All important files have been edited successfully. Now let's go back to the environment variable and set home and path for Hadoop. Select new and write it Hadoop home. And you have to put location of Hadoop. And select OK. Now we have to edit the path of Hadoop. Click on path and select edit. Click on new and then we can put Hadoop location. Now we have to create another path for sbin. So get back in Hadoop folder and click on sbin. So you have to copy this. Select new and then paste OK and select OK. Now we have successfully set home and path for Hadoop. So click final OK and close your properties. Let's go ahead and fix the configuration files. You can see in Hadoop folder in bin we have some missing important files. To fix this, we need new configuration files that will be available in the description box below. You need to click on that particular link. All of the files will download it in your local system. All you need to do just replace that particular files with your bin folder in your Hadoop. You can see that there is new folder in my Hadoop. All you need to just extract this folder. Now you can see the folder is successfully extracted and all the files you need are successfully downloaded. Now you just need to move this bin folder into your Hadoop. Just cut this folder and put it in Hadoop. Replace it. You have done it. So let's delete the unnecessary files. Now you can see all of the executing file and your Hadoop is set. Let's check Hadoop is properly working or not. Let's open CMD, Windows and R. Write CMD, select OK. So you have to write cd space / Hadoop. Now you are inside the Hadoop. Inside the Hadoop, you have to enter sbin. Cd bin. Inside sbin, you have to start all the commands. That is start dash all dot cmd. There you go, all your daemons are getting started. So that's how you to install Hadoop into your local Windows operating system with version 10. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.